Hey people, welcome back to the channel. In today's complete guide, I'll show you how to recover deleted photos from any Android device quickly and easily. Whether you accidentally deleted important memories or removed images by mistake, don't worry. Android has built-in recovery options that can help. Go to the Photos app. Most Android phones use Google Photos, which automatically backs up and stores your pictures and videos if backup is enabled. This makes recovery much easier. Now tap on the Collections or Library section, depending on your version. From there, find and open the Trash or Bin folder. This folder stores deleted photos for up to 30 to 60 days before they are permanently removed. Inside the Trash folder, you'll see all recently deleted photos and videos. Browse through the list and select the pictures you want to restore. After selecting them, tap the Restore or Recover button at the bottom of the screen. Instantly, your photos will be returned to your gallery and original albums. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more Android tips and guides.